Hey there, in this video, I'm walking you through 5 ways AI completely transforms how you collect and use testimonials. If you're already gathering customer feedback but want to work smarter, not harder, these tools will change everything. If you enjoy writing testimonial follow-ups like it's your full-time job, or love chasing clients for feedback more than you like to sleep, then these 5 tools will feel like a promotion. Let's start with number 1. Setting up a testimonial collection space used to take hours of planning. You'd sit there wondering what questions to ask, how to phrase them, and whether you're missing something important. Those days are over. Now, you can paste your website link into an AI tool and it creates relevant questions in seconds. The AI reads through your site content and suggests questions that make sense for your business. Instead of generic, "How was your service?" prompts, you get specific questions about your unique offerings. I found this really helpful because the AI catches things I miss. It might suggest asking about your response time, your pricing clarity, or specific features you forgot to highlight. You can still edit these suggestions, but having that starting point saves so much mental energy. The best part is that you're not starting from a blank page anymore. The AI gives you a foundation, and you build from there. Number 2 tackles something we all struggle with: what to say when someone leaves a testimonial. You know that awkward moment when someone writes something nice and you respond with "thanks," like you're texting your mom. This feature writes longer, more professional responses that match what your customer actually said. If they mention your quick turnaround time, the AI crafts a response that acknowledges that specific point. If they praise your communication style, the response reflects that. To be honest, I used to stress about these replies. You want to sound grateful, but not robotic, professional, but not distant. The AI handles that balance perfectly, creating responses that feel personal and thoughtful without you spending 20 minutes crafting each one. With number 3 on the list, it's more where things get interesting. You receive a lot of long testimonials with plenty of good stuff buried in there. Instead of highlighting random sentences and hoping for the best, AI can actually identify the most powerful phrases automatically. It picks out the exact words that carry the most weight, the phrases about results, emotions, or specific benefits. This means your testimonial highlights the right things. I struggle with this too. Sometimes I'd emphasize a phrase just because it sounded nice, even if it wasn't selling anything. That's where AI comes in. It zeroes in on the parts that influence potential customers and makes your testimonials sound 90% smarter than a copywriter after a weekend bender. Number 4 is fantastic because it solves the design headache. You've collected amazing testimonials at this point, but now you need to display them somewhere that doesn't look like a high school project from 2003. This tool creates beautiful testimonial displays by analyzing your brand or a reference image. You can share a photo of a design you like, provide your website URL, or just provide what you want by describing it in a prompt. The AI creates a testimonial wall that matches your style. One of the nice things about this feature is its speed. Instead of hiring a designer or spending weekend hours trying to make things look professional, you get polished results in minutes. You can use the generated code directly or make small adjustments to perfect it. The great thing is that you can create multiple versions quickly. Need one for your homepage and another for your pricing page? Look at this, you can do it both, no problem. Different styles for different campaigns? You can easily set them up. Coming up at number 5, we have an incredible feature for you as well. This turns individual testimonials into full case studies. Here's what makes it powerful. 82% of people read online reviews before buying, but case studies carry even more weight because they tell complete stories. Here's how simple it is. You can click the AI option under any testimonial, select Create Case Study, and provide some context about the project or relationship. Wait a couple of seconds for the AI to create your case study, then make manual edits if needed. You can create unlimited case studies this way. The reason why this works so well is that AI takes the emotional content from the testimonial and structured it into a compelling business story. Instead of just great service, you get a narrative about challenges, solutions, and results. Now that you've seen what these 5 AI tools can do, let's sum it up. They turn testimonial collection from a time-consuming chore into a streamlined system that supports your marketing. You're not just gathering feedback anymore, you're creating professional assets that influence real purchasing decisions. Pick one of these features and try it with your existing testimonials today. Start collecting testimonials like it's 2050 minus the flying cars using testimonial.to. Which feature would help your business most right now? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.